Hey yo, it's Chris O. Rolling in the second coat. I've zapped around and brushed everything in I can. I never worry about putting out masking tape and leveling the line across and all that carry on. It's a load of bollocks if you ask me. A second coat is very important because I reckon there's ghosts in this house, eh? Other jobs I see the odd ghost too, but I just saw one out the corner of my eye then. And you're probably saying, oh, what? I would say a few things have gone on in this place before these people bought it. Look at that. Beautiful. Ripper digger. Beauty Bonds a nipper. Oh, sorry people, that's just a bit of Aussie slang. Beauty Bonds a cracker, 4X mate. Yeah, nah. Slopped a bit. Oh, brilliant. Woo! If there's ever water from the bath, I've got it covered. Bloody beautiful. I don't actually know what this waterproof is made out of, you know, like I've never looked into its makeup, how it's made or what it's made of. There'd be people out there that are watching that would know, I'm sure. You know, I don't know how paint is made, you know, what's in paint, what's in this, I don't know. I know it's water base, not terps base. So it's not harmful if you're breathing it in. It's not even that smelly, really. But I don't know its makeup. I should find out. If anyone knows, can you put it in the comments column, please? What this waterproof is made up of. Be interesting to find out, and I'm sure there's someone out there that would know. These walls are nice and plumb and straight. The chippy was pretty good, the one that framed all this. He even buzzed all his studs and nogs and everything. Oh, I've never seen that before. So he's fairly anal into his workmanship, which is good. Good to see. Change hands. But then the owners sort of stuff it up a little, because if I put a straight edge on that, it's probably out 2 or 3 mil. Okay, into the Fluor. That's good. Okay, so this video, so it's not too long. I'll catch you soon on the next one. Stay tuned. Pass it around your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. There's going to be heaps to learn, everyone. See ya.